Most people get hotel loyalty programs wrong by assuming they all work the same, but IHG One Rewards has some surprising perks that can make your travel much more rewarding. Today, I'll share my full usage experience so you know what to expect. Let's start with earning points. IHG One Rewards lets you earn points on every stay at over 6,000 hotels worldwide, including Holiday Inn, Crowne Plaza, and Intercontinental. Most people think you only earn points for room rates, but you also earn points on taxes, fees, and eligible purchases during your stay. That can add up faster than you expect, especially if you travel frequently. Next, let's talk status tiers. IHG One Rewards has several levels: Club, Gold Elite, Platinum Elite, and Spire Elite. Even Gold Elite members get perks like extended checkout, bonus points, and priority late checkout. I found that reaching Platinum Elite is surprisingly achievable if you stay around 20 nights a year. Most people get this wrong by assuming Elite status requires dozens of stays, but consistent travelers can reach it with fewer trips. Redemption is flexible. You can use points for free nights, room upgrades, or even gift cards. I personally used my points for a weekend getaway at a Crowne Plaza, and the value I got per point was excellent. One tip: check for point breaks promotions, where select hotels are available for fewer points. Most people overlook these deals, but they can save hundreds of dollars. Another great feature is member-exclusive rates. Booking as an IHG One Rewards member often gets you a lower rate than non-members, sometimes combined with free breakfast or early check-in. This makes your loyalty really pay off. In conclusion, IHG One Rewards is ideal if you travel regularly and want flexible points, achievable elite status, and member perks. Most people underestimate how much value you can get just by signing up and using the program strategically. Subscribe for more honest hotel loyalty program reviews so you can maximize your travel rewards.